Welcome back to the shop. We're going to be finishing up the Easy Street EDC in this episode. I have it all taped up, 2 layers of tape. I've made my leather portion of the sheath, and then I'll be wrapping that with Kydex that matches the liner stripes. So we'll get the little toaster oven warmed up. I'm warming up the Kydex press, which is freezing cold, so that the foam conforms better, and we'll get it going. That one turned out good. Alright, we got the basic shape cut out, and starting to look like something. We need to figure out what kind of designs we're going to put in it to make it look cool. magic encountered an unknown error. So we're finishing up the Easy Street EDC. I scuffed the handle up. I'm not sure if I like it or not. I'm going to see how it glows. Don't forget this does glow. Get the lighting decent in here for you. I think that's as wide as we can go right now. I guess I'll try to keep this in frame. So we need to finish up the sheath a little bit here. So we're going to do some work on that. Okay, I'm in love with the color. I did have blue leather coming in, but I thought the brown looked good with the other part of the handle. So I'm going with that right now. I did put a fresh edge on this. I had it sharpened once and I wasn't happy with the outcome. So I did it to 650 and then stropped it. And a little bit better of a cut now. A little bit happier with it. Let me find something to cut. It's cardboard. So I had it before and it wasn't shaving. So I think I might have rounded it over a bit while I was stropping it. So sometimes what I do on my daily carry is, I don't know if I mentioned before, I just have that at 650 and then I strop it, and you know, it holds up pretty good. So see, that one's a little bit shinier. So we need to finish this sheath off. We need to put a pocket clip on it. I set these holes, these are the finished size, set these 3 holes at a 1/2 inch apart so that I can mount a standard deep carry pocket clip on it, not a ulti clip, because I have these ones. There's just a little one here with the We the People symbol on it. I think it'll look pretty cool. That mounted up if it focuses. Yeah, we'll put that on there. Let's see what we're gonna need here. That one works. That one works. 2 long screws will go through. I don't think we need a washer. We got a good height there. We'll use some Loctite orange. And we're gonna go think we're gonna go right there. A little dab. These do come loose, from what I've found wearing my Alti clip. And this is the best way to keep them from vibrating loose while you're wearing them. That shaking thing. I like the screws right there. I think once that grabs, that's actually, it seems like it would be a bump, but I feel like it actually grabs the fabric of my jeans right there and actually locks that in right there. And leave the clean look on the outside with the screws there. This is probably gonna get the browns done, but so we got that, right? And then of course, there are glow shards inside this epoxy I poured. So these light spots do glow under UV. So, just like my daily carry currently has a little copper light on it, I got this Rovivon to go on this knife. And the reason I got this is just come with a belt clip and a mag clip also. But I added, I didn't use the rings that came with it. I got titanium rings, double titanium rings, small and medium, to go with it. And the reason I got this is a A7, Aurora A7. So if you give this a 1, 2, 3, you get the side light, and then go 4, and it goes to a UV light, which the body of this, it will make itself glow. But you can also use it to make the handle of the knife glow. It's pretty effective. You could always blast it with the regular light also. That will charge those up. The titanium keychains are light, but they're kind of awkward to work with. So we got the pocket clip on. We got the Glowiometron going. Let's see what that looks like. Charge that up. Get the big reveal. I'm gonna have to change the ISO. Well, that's not easy to film, but you get the idea. It glows the same color as the handle, and it makes itself and the handle glow, and it's a regular flashlight. It's like a win-win, you know what I'm saying? We'll get some beauty shots of it, upload it, and then we'll drop it on Etsy. I'm happy with it.